Hi there. I was asked today about changing the names of the headings and how to do that. So this is a quick tutorial on how to change the names of the headings. So if you've purchased any of my spreadsheets, I will show you how to do that. So this is the sales tracker. So say if you wanted to change, any of these up here and at the top. So if you wanted to change it to something different, you just click in there and type sold status or whatever you want to do. So you just literally click in the box, you're double clicking, you highlight it, and then you put another name. That's as simple as that. So double clicking, highlight, and put in another name, whatever you want it to be. If you wanted to change the names of all of these, that is how to do it. I'll show you another spreadsheet. So this is my to-do list. So say if I wanted to change it to, you know, um, highest priority, something else, you just double click in the cell, highlight it, and type, highest priority, whatever you want. Or instead of task, you want to change it to do. That's how to do it. So that's how to change the names of the headings. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Click on the link in the description below to find any of our spreadsheets. Thank you.